Hi, welcome to PB&J Farms. I'm Papa Brian. The second tenet to the well-watered garden is timeliness. And these peppers are a demonstration of timeliness here on PB&J Farms. Right now, I'd probably let the fruit set a little early. This first set of flowers, I should have picked them off. Tomorrow, I need to get out here, get some time, get some trellising to hold these up because you see they're getting some peppers on them. And I don't want those plants to bend over and get hurt from the weight of the fruit. Timeliness means that you've got to plant stuff when it has to be planted. You've got to harvest stuff when it has to be harvested. You have to have a weeding schedule to keep it nice. So the second tenet would be timeliness. And if you can take care of the excellence and the timeliness, you're gonna have a lot better time in your garden. Keep checking us out at PB&J Farms.